Black magic. The Grange witches state that the 13 points will expel the witch-finder general by means of reproduction, expulsion. A spell expels the sounds and power of draining the 13 points. Also in place, Dorothy's old pad and the voices of 1996, when first the witches made contact, stating the doctorate agree that no magic is used against the mortal population unless demonic, in this case not including the very devil. The mind is always dark. If, on the other hand, we see only light, then we see our minds as a cave of black magic. No necessity to be fully witch to accept the yin-yang of the celestial mind. Magic is as holy as biblical and denotes tones in texts such as the Bible and the Quran and the Egyptian books of the dead. Some incantations remain unmentioned owing to their natural scribe, written right to left, whereby the Bible is read left to right. A coven is a powerful extension of incantation. If the magic world is made up of ash, we visualize. A vision comes in this frame. The coven should understand the theory of clairvoyance, method and clarity. This is clairvoyance, a derivation, a spore, atom, spell, the ingredients of which psilocybin, mushrooms, hot water, drunk from a purple drinking vessel, labeled PSYCHOTICS. This method, encoded in prevention of misuse, effects are from the mushroom being one of the oldest inhabitants of the universe spheres, alike to the physics of insects. The coven, in case is thinking, it is apart from the general cohesion of the human consciousness. In this case, its spells and incantations. The general cohesion is of alike physics of human similarity. The mind's funnel now of the elder of the species is closed. If we consider the coven's mind opened and away from, we ascend. The flight of the witch is the position of conscious. A widowshank's witch's ability to gain soul polarity. A witch walks widowshanks as though with 3 legs. Noted in British coat of arms. The witch's polarity is hex-coded north-south longitude. The coven's wherewithal is an incantation mute spell. The population's impression upon the coven as subject is metamorphic. This potent symbols such as a pentagram, The coven's focus on the metamorphosis, portent nature, show the coven is now its celestial governance upon the mortal, whom remain in an earth. BC AD. The celestial heavens temples are formations. Mortal worship is visible from the coven's meets, as a procession of ant-like forms are in our spell's abilities, with the incantation presented previous and subjective governance, the powers of the coven, spell and incantation, capo al fine, formulae infinite, the flight of the witch. The constituency of omnipotence, with a power swing towards the coven, shows the find of jinx, the tinker, the polarity of the coven to attract precious wealth from the subjective nature of its governance lays in the polarity, Hecate, high priestess, and the demonic, which is placed as the fundament to the coven's heights. Hex lead to the universal shift of the governance to a coven's oligarchy, the world, the high priestess, death, the mortal coil, is in placement of shift of clarity and focus, relax the concentration, and so back the concave black. Black magic.